Hello my friends on YouTube, welcome back to my channel in Pascalis Flash. Okay, in the question I will give you tips. This is a simple tips what you should do when your touchscreen on your handphone destroy but the display can on. You can try these tips. This display is not can touch. In emergency you can using these tips. First, you need a simple material. This is a OTG connecting kit or mobile phone OTG. The function of OTG is very variative. This is a cable data transfers. When you using a flash disk, you can transfer data from flash disk to mobile phone or smartphone Android. But in other function, this OTG very useful when you have a touch screen can touch or destroys. This is very simple. How to using it? You need a mouse. Mouse, this is a device of the computer or laptops. You add the mouse or adding to device and connect it with your Android. This is very simple. You just plug this OTG in Android then you just connecting cable with the OTG. Let's see. You can see you in here. My cameraman in here. Now you can see that this is a arrow in here in display. You can touch this. You can replace the LCD screen with OTG with mouse when LCD not can touch or in emergency moments. This is very okay my friends. This is a simple tutorial. You can try it your homes and instantly. You need a simple materials. You can see and using these tricks when your handphone destroy, touchscreen destroy. Okay. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next tips video. This is a very life hack useful. Bye bye.